These are dominoes. You'll notice that there are two sides to each domino, and on each side we see some dots. These dots are referred to as pips. One of the ways in which we can use the dominoes is we can use the pips on either side to give us numbers that we can then multiply. So let's take a look at 6 and 3. And so we could think 6 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 6. And we could make an array with some objects. Another way in which we can make the array is with a blank 100 chart. So what I'm thinking is I will have 3 rows and I will have 6 in each row. So there's my 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here's my array of 3 times 6. So I'm going to write 3 times 6, and I know that 3 times 6 is 18. And if I counted these up, I should have 18 squares. Let's try one more. So here I have 4 and 5. So, oh, look at this. I've got 4 right here. And now I'm going to multiply that by 5 rows. So I have 4 columns and 5 rows. And now I can write 4 times 5, or 4 groups of 5, gives me 20. Now I can continue on with different dominoes until I don't have enough space to make any more arrays. And this is one way in which we can use the dominoes to help us represent multiplication using arrays.